What are we making today?
Waffles.
What ingredients do we have there? What do we have there?
Eggs. Vinegar.
Vinegar. No, there's no vinegar there.
Oil.
Yeah.
Oil.
Yeah.
And milk.
Jaden.
Vanilla.
Sugar.
Sugar and flour.
And baking powder and salt. So we are going to mix the dry ingredients together, then the liquids on a separate bowl. Okay, let's do this. Okay, Jaden, put for us 1 cup of flour. Yeah. Now you pour on the cup. We need to measure
everything.
Yeah.
I pour it.
Pour for us the flour. That's 1 cup. Next, you need 2 tablespoons of sugar.
2.
Put for us some sugar. Yeah, 2
of these.
Yeah.
Can I?
Mix on the flour. No.
1.
Mix on the bowl. Put them on the bowl. Yeah.
And
2. The second one.
2.
Pour it inside.
Can I?
The next is half teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. The next we need to put the baking powder. Half tablespoon. Jeremy, you can do this for us.
Okay.
Half tablespoon.
How's gonna open it? Half.
All right.
Now we're gonna
pour the baking powder.
I'm going.
Good job. Okay, Jaden, mix for us the dry ingredients together. You have to make sure they integrated so well. Then on a separate bowl.
Mama, look at my face.
You're going to beat the egg for us, Jeremy. Are you going to beat the egg for us?
Yeah.
So it's Jaden, okay, beat for us 1 egg. Okay, pour a 1/4 cup of oil. Jeremy, are you going to do that? Yeah.
I put everything.
No, don't put everything. Just put a 1/4 portion of the oil. I'll let you know when it.
Half? You put half?
Almost half. You need to reduce it. That's too much. Yeah. That's enough. Jaden, pour it inside.
Can I?
Mix it with the egg.
Smells so nice.
Half teaspoon vanilla. Half of it.
Now,
pour it inside.
Mama, that smells so good.
It smells so nice, yeah? Yeah, put 1 cup of milk.
Okay.
Now full up to the brim. A little bit more.
That's enough.
Yeah, that's enough. Yeah.
That's enough. Where's gonna put it?
You put no, Jeremy, that's enough. Yeah. My goodness, how do you lift the cup? It's too much.
Too much milk.
So guys, we have our dry ingredients ready.
Now I'm gonna
mixed well. So now we are going to mix the liquids together. Let's pour for us there.
How to take the spoon?
The well mixed yeah.
Take the spoon.
Yes. Mix with the dry ingredients. Wonderful. Then now we mix them together.
Can I mix?
Until we have a smooth
mix. Now I mix.
No, we need to use the machine.
The machine, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, I think so. It was the spoon.
No. Yeah. Our dough is ready.
Mama, how do you say hi in Kenya?
Habari yako.
Habari yako.
Jaden, you're going to smear some oil on the machine.
Habari yako. What is that, Mama? Habari kato. And then we both.
Did you do it on both
Mama,
of them?
what is habari kato? Already much in there. Mama, what is habari? Mama, what is habari kato? Mama, what is habari kato? What is that?
Then now we pour a mix of it.
I saw it.
Really? So we need to pour some.
I need to go down. I can't breathe.
Jeremy,
I can't breathe.
move your head. There you go. We pour another one. The other side. Then we cover.
Can I touch it?
Okay, cover now.
Yeah.
Okay, let's wait now for some few seconds. Okay, so now
I
they
take them
start
out.
green. So our waffles are ready. Yeah, you can take them out for us. Wow, look at that. I like the brownish color.
Together.
You can flip.
I like the
flip it.
craft. I can do like this, huh?
No, you flip. Just flip like this. Yeah,
Yeah.
like that. Then we can cut it later. Looks nice. I like it. Looks so yummy. Delicious.
And then you put it. Delicious.
Wow.
It's delicious.
Yeah. Wanna try?
It is good.
So now we smear some oil again.
Put more?
Yeah, I need to put more.
Is it
Another.
finished?
We are almost done. Just wait, Jeremy. Then we put another set.
I think you just put much.
They can close it.
I can
Yeah.
go now.
Yeah.
Mama, I can go now.
We cook them until they are ready. This one
Now
is
they are
ready also.
taking.
Take them out.
My God. This.
You can touch it, yeah?
Mama's Jaden helping you, Mama.
Yes, he's doing a good job.
Me too.
Yeah. Both of you. Wow, look at that. That's the outcome of a
Waffles.
Okay, so we are going to sprinkle some
Vanilla.
syrup. Yeah.
Vanilla syrup.
Yes,
Mama,
so
what is
that
the
we-
clock? So I put like this. What is the clock?
No, you can just sprinkle on
Mama,
top
what
like
is
this.
the clock? No, can I, Mama?
Wow.
Can I? Now
The
we're putting.
aroma.
Now we're putting the
amazing.
vanilla, not caramel.
Sprinkle. Don't pour the whole
He's
bottle
going to
inside.
put the whole bottle.
Don't pour the whole bottle
Stop
there.
it.
Can I help you?
I'm helping him.
All right.
What did I
What
told
did you
you?
do?
Finish.
Let me show you how you do it. Just sprinkle like this.
That's so small.
Yeah, just like this.
Yeah, now it's enough.
That's good enough. Okay.
Now I
Jaden,
put.
can you give us? We have a bite. Looks so yummy.
Yeah. I don't like those vanilla. I'm not eating it. I don't like it.
Why you don't want it? It's very sweet. The vanilla syrup.
I don't like it. Can I go now? I don't like. We flip
Okay.
Now
Give
we
me
like
one.
it.
Give me a piece. I need to bite it.
Now we like it so.
Wow. So yummy. It's yummy. Some more.
These are the best waffles.
Wow.
Yeah.
So we have a good chef in the house, Jaden. Yeah. Jaden, thank you so much for helping.
But you did
Most of the work.
Yeah. I helped you.